Hi guys, in front of me is OnePlus 13R and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, enroll settings. Then from main settings list, select wallpapers and style and choose wallpapers. Now pick the one that you want to cover your screen with. Let me pick this one. Now mark apply to and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen or both of them. Let me set it on both. Mark apply. And that's it. As you can see from now on, both home screen and lock screen are covered with this picture with selected one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.